Hi, it's Ines and I'm back with another recipe. This one is German pancakes, and it's the last of the conference breakfast that I'm putting together. So let's get started. To my blender, I've added 6 eggs and a dash of salt. I will put in 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla, a cup of flour, and a cup of milk, and blend. After that, I will put this in the oven and let those 3 tablespoons of butter melt and pull it out, and then pour the mixture in the pan and let it go for about 20 minutes. Should make it nice and fluffy and crispy. I haven't made this recipe in a while, but it was recommended by one of my sons, so let's do it. So I just pulled out my pan from the oven, the melted butter, everything's ready to go, and here is my mixture. So I'm just gonna pour it in, kind of gives a little sizzle. And what I did also add to the recipe was a couple of tablespoons of sugar, because I thought, why not? It'll make it a little sweeter. And so this will bake in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes or until golden brown. And we can't wait. I hope our friends like it. And you may know who our friends are. Stay tuned. And I just took it out of the oven. It smells so good. And when I put it in there, I thought maybe a little bit of swirled in cinnamon would be really great on this German pancake. And as you can hear, I have a lot of stuff going on in the kitchen. So I'm gonna close this recipe by saying this is gonna be a great breakfast. So I'll take some pictures and I'll show you who's coming.